Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Youxuan. Our channel is a channel focused on teaching Zhuyin phonetic symbols Mandarin. Today, we continue going to practice the following 16 Zhuyin phonetic symbols, Ji to E. If you haven't learned the 11 Zhuyin phonetic symbols from B to He before, please watch our Zhuyin Flashcard Part 1 course. And please remember to turn on your subtitle to check the Zhuyin phonetic symbols and Chinese characters in the sentences. Alright, let's start. 注音 Ji, Qi, Xi, Ji, Ji. Ji is for 橘子，橘子，橘子，橘子 ，tangerine。七也是for芹菜，芹菜，芹菜，芹菜 ，celery。西is for 香蕉，香蕉，香蕉，香蕉 ，banana。吃is for 书桌，书桌，书桌，书桌 ，desk。吃is for 车子，车子，车子，车子 ，car。诗 is for 故事，故事，故事，故事 ，story。日 is for 日历，日历，日历，日历 ，calendar。吃丝is for 嘴巴，嘴巴， 嘴巴，嘴巴 mouth， 吃is for 草莓，草莓strawberry， 丝 is for 颜色，颜色 color， 一乌鱼一is for 椅子，椅子chair，屋is for 舞蹈，舞蹈 dance， 鱼is for 雨伞，雨伞 umbrella， is for 茶叶，茶叶 tea leaves， O is for 国旗，国旗 national flag， is for 火车，火车 tram. Okay, now let's have a pop quiz. First, we will see how many pronunciations, Zhuyin phonetic symbols, and vocabulary you memorized. Please look at the Zhuyin phonetic symbols and characters in the pictures to pronounce them. You pronounce them first, then I will pronounce them 3 seconds after each picture appears. Let's start. 雨伞 日历七橘子西香蕉啊茶叶丝颜色诗故事之书桌火车之嘴巴七芹菜哦国旗吃车子椅子吃草莓舞蹈 Okay, we practice the following 16 phonetic symbols today. In the next episode, we will practice the last 10 joint phonetic symbols, A to Besides, I will explain joint retrofraze tone and its similar phonetic symbols, and how to distinguish the similar sounds. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any question about the course, suggestions, or comments, please leave a message to me. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next episode.